Hey everyone, welcome back to Indu Spirit. This is Arjun Rishi, along with my colleague Indu Sri. Today, we're diving into a question that's been on everyone's mind lately. Is meditation worth the hype and, more importantly, your time? Let's break it down together. First, let's talk about the hype. If you've been on social media, you've probably seen countless influencers, CEOs, and even your favorite celebrities swearing by meditation. They claim it transforms your mind, reduces stress, boosts creativity, and even makes you more successful. Sounds amazing, right? But is it really that magical, or is it just another trend? Before we judge, let's look at the facts. Science has a lot to say about meditation. Meditation has been shown to influence brain chemistry and hormone production, leading to a range of benefits for mental and physical health. Here's a breakdown of how specific hormones are affected by meditation. 1. Cortisol, stress hormone. 2. Serotonin, mood stabilizer. 3. Dopamine, reward and motivation. 4. GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, relaxation hormone. 5. Endorphins, natural painkillers. 6. Melatonin, sleep hormone. 7. Oxytocin, love and bonding hormone. Studies show it can lower cortisol levels, our stress hormone, improve focus, and even enhance overall mental well-being. But here's the catch. It's not an instant fix. Meditation is more like a gym for your mind. The benefits come with consistency. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: reduces stress and anxiety, improves focus and mindfulness, enhances emotional resilience. Cons: it takes time to see results. It can feel frustrating at first. Not every style of meditation works for everyone. Let's be real for a second. Meditation isn't always easy. Your mind will wander, you'll feel restless, and some days it'll feel pointless, and that's okay. The key is to keep showing up, even if it's just for 5 minutes a day. If you're thinking about trying it, start small. Here's an easy way. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, and it will, just gently bring it back. That's it. No fancy apps or equipment needed. Remember, meditation is not about clearing your mind or achieving some perfect state of Zen. It's about noticing your thoughts and learning to respond instead of reacting. Over time, this can create a huge shift in how you handle stress and challenges. So, is meditation worth the hype? I'd say yes, with one condition. It's only worth it if you're willing to commit a little time each day and give yourself grace along the way. Whether it's 5 minutes or 30, the real value of meditation lies in showing up for yourself. What do you think? Is meditation worth your time? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. As Arjun said, meditation isn't just about mental calmness. It's a scientifically supported practice that rewires the brain and balances hormones, leading to long-term cognitive, emotional, and physical health benefits. And meditation influences brain structural changes like the hippocampus, volume increases, improving memory and emotion regulation, amygdala, shrinks in size, reducing the intensity of emotional reactions to stress. Prefrontal cortex strengthens connections, enhancing decision-making, attention, and impulse control. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indu Spirit for more content like this. Until next time, take care and take a deep breath.